Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some interesting news update. It's actually a quick one, and this is from Epic Games and Sketchfab. The folks at Sketchfab have finally joined the Epic Games family, and this is beautiful. To me, this is one of the coolest things that have happened within the year after ArtStation became part of Epic Games family. This is so cool. Epic Games have actually done this thing over and over again, where they get to buy companies, do something very interesting for artists, and in most cases they either slash down the commission, make the tool better, or they simply make everything for free. And this time it is no exception. And yes, they are doing something which is reducing the Sketchfab Store fee by 12% for 3D creators, and this is giving more value to the creators so that they can create more stuff and even earn more. There's also some other beautiful things that the folks at Sketchfab are also doing right now, which we're going to go ahead and talk about. And for those looking for free content, there is a whole new route that you can get free content at this point. So Sketchfab was actually built to empower creators so that they can see and actually showcase their 3D stuff online and make things accessible for everyone. And that is the same thing that Sketchfab has been doing ever since. And like I've also talked about previously, Sketchfab is one of the places on the internet where you can download 3D content for free, preview this content, style them how you want your customers and also how you want people to view this, and do lots of things that traditionally you can't do. Other 3D asset sites would just simply give you images. Sketchfab doesn't rely on images, they rely on the 3D itself. And even more, you can embed animations to this, static poses, you can, simply repeat these, make it loop at every time, you can increase the speed of the animation. And this is just beautiful. For those that are thinking about inspecting animations or maybe inspecting models, Sketchfab makes it even way cooler that you can proceed to inspect this thing, see the base color, see the metalness, see the roughness, all those things, final render, all those things. You can preview this with Sketchfab. So them joining Epic Games is a win-win for all 3D artists, even more of a win-win for creators, because at this point the folks at Sketchfab are also making another tiny announcement. So if you go over to the Sketchfab section, you would notice that despite the fact that you're having the 12% reduction of the Sketchfab Store fees, if you're using Sketchfab, the Plus plan is totally for free. So you don't need to pay to jump into the Plus plan at this point. And if you're already using the Plus plan, it makes sense because you automatically upgraded to the Pro plan. Now this is actually open for anyone who would like to downgrade at any point in time. You're free to do that. And for those that are thinking about uploading more stuff, at this point you can upload. And the reason why they're upgrading all the current Plus plan customers to the Pro plan is because they've noticed that monthly uploads have actually skyrocketed from 30 to 50. Finally, they'll be retiring the business plan and also migrate the current business plan customers to their enterprise level feature at no additional cost. Beautiful things that Sketchfab is doing right now, and all thanks to Epic Games. So for those that are thinking about jumping into Sketchfab right now, you can actually go there and you would notice a huge set of downloadable stuff every single week. There is just something every week that you can get. And if you're into buying, selling stuff, Sketchfab is the home for you. You can simply go in there, check out some stuff that you would like to purchase, preview them just like we did earlier, and download them. If you're looking for where you can showcase your art, where people can appreciate it and look at it all 360, appreciate the hard work you put into it, you can also do this on Sketchfab. It also makes sense that if you would like to move things directly from your DCC app, you don't want to stress yourself and export things and start playing with all of the configurations, you can do that as well. Sketchfab has actually made it even more easier for you, that you can go through and check out some of the plugins that Sketchfab has created before now. So I'm also going to put this link in the description so that you can catch up with it. Right here, there are plugins for Blender, Godot, Unity, Cinema 4D, Unreal Engine, and also there are beautiful plugins as well that you can get for tools like Lightwave and also 3D Studio Max. Maya's plugin is only for exporting, and I think that's also the same thing for ZBrush. I kind of didn't see any plugin for importing. Most of the plugins are basically for exporting, so you might also consider that. But then if you're into working with Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, Cinema 4D, I think we've already talked about how you can work with this, but just for clarity's sake, for Blender you need to download the plugin, go over to Edit, Preference, and go over to Addons and install it. Now there's just one thing to keep in mind is once you install this, you need to enter your details, and that way you can have access to using the add-on. In this case, we just simply search for cars, and we have like a whole lot of cars that we can download from. And the same thing happens if you're looking for hands. You can just simply type in the word hand. You can get as much hands as you like. You need some free hands. Yep, you get that. If you're also looking for things like toys, you can also find toys. Let's see if we get some good toys from here. Yeah, you can get all of these things. So depending on what you're looking for, you can simply find them right here. And to any of these things that you find within the section, you can proceed to hit the download button and download them. Now, most of them have Creative Commons licenses, which you will also notice. You can also see the creators, the number of faces. And if you're working with tools like Blender, for example, once you're done, you can also proceed to upload, or once you're done creating your own stuff, you can also proceed to upload them directly from here over to Sketchfab. So amazing and beautiful things for Sketchfab users, and I'm quite excited about this one. You may also need to know that websites like Facebook, Reddit, Tumblr, LinkedIn, WordPress, and also Twitter can get Sketchfab content embedded into them. And I'm quite excited about the whole thing that Epic Games is doing with Sketchfab right now, and this is a good step forward. Of course, we did see the same thing with ArtStation when ArtStation was available. We also saw exactly the same thing with Reality Capture. Prices went down, software became better, and of course, we cannot forget the fact that Pixel became even way better after Epic Games purchased them. So cool things coming over to Sketchfab, and I'm quite excited about this one. And of course, I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section. And for those who will be wondering about, where can we get this stuff, all these things, the links are going to be in the description, so you can do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.